If you're seeing Krita Error Code 5 or WinError 5 or even 0xC0000005, that usually means one thing: access denied or an access violation. In simple terms, Krita is trying to open a file, folder, or graphics memory address, but Windows, your antivirus, or a driver is blocking it. In this video, I'll show you the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Krita working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software fixes and creative workflow tips. Let's jump right in. First, try the easiest fix. Run Krita as an administrator. Close Krita completely, then right-click your Krita desktop shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to access protected locations on your system. If the error was caused by a permissions issue, this alone may fix it immediately. If Krita still gives you error code 5, the next thing to check is your antivirus or Windows Defender. Security software often blocks background processes, folder creation, or file renaming, especially if Krita is working with plugins, automation, or related tools like Comfy UI. Open your antivirus settings and temporarily disable real-time protection, or better yet, add your Krita installation folder to the exclusion list. After that, try opening Krita again and see if the error disappears. If Krita won't open at all and you're seeing exception code 0xC0000005 in Windows Event Viewer, that usually points to a deeper access violation issue, often related to graphics drivers or corrupted system interaction. In that case, the next best step is a clean GPU driver install. Go to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on your graphics card, and download the latest driver. If possible, use the clean install option so the old files and broken settings are removed first. A fresh graphics driver often fixes startup crashes, black screens, and access violation errors in Krita. If the problem happens while rendering an animation, especially when exporting to MP4, there's another simple workaround you should try. Use MKV instead. MP4 can sometimes trigger issues during rendering, while MKV is often more stable for the export process. You can always convert or re-encode later if needed, but switching the output format can save you from repeated rendering failures. So to quickly recap, run Krita as administrator, pause or whitelist your antivirus, perform a clean GPU driver install if Krita won't boot, and switch from MP4 to MKV if the error appears during animation rendering. Those steps solve most Krita Error Code 5 and access violation problems without needing a full reinstall. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.